Welcome folks, welcome to Guaranty RV, and my name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this 2018 Jayco mid-bunk. Really nice floor plan. As you can see, the fiberglass over there, here the cap. We got the frameless windows, folks. This is the new craze. So you got the big huge awning right there, LED lights. Look at this graphics, really nice. Eagle by Jayco. Nice basement right here. As you can see, it holds itself up. So got some struts, clean and finished. You can see the aluminum frames in there. So let's go inside and show you this neat feature. Right off the bat, when you come in, you're gonna see this mid-bunk. So you got couple of seats there. You got bed. This is a slide out, folks. So that gives it more room. Again, you have nice counters back here. You can mount a TV if you'd like. Really private room away from everybody. Even a nice touch here with a hanger. So if we walk in here into the kitchen, nice stool in a way here. You can sit here, maybe take your shoes off, what have you. Nice little storage in there. Counter space, solid surfaces, pretty nice. Look at that. Power source, you can plug in USB port, you have what have you. Nice fridge, freezer, look at that. Ice maker. This thing is equipped, pretty cool. I like this. As you walk in, of course you have the island, and here we go. We got a pantry, a big deal. So you got it here with shelves that you can adjust to whatever height. Nice fireplace, gives you an ambiance and also heat. It heats it very well. Nice TV, big couch. Look at this window, pretty cool. More storage. These are pretty deep, so you can put in anything you would like to have, but you never used. Anyways, two recliners, pretty cool. And you got a dinette. And as we go back here, up here, folks, we got, in a way, a loft up here with a ladder. You see that? The kid will be in heaven up here. Pretty cool stuff. Yes, and as we go in, we got the enclosed shower. Pretty nice touch there. Lots of cabinets in there also for storage, towels, what have you. And as we come in here, we're gonna see the bedroom. Nice touches in the bedroom. Wash and dryer hookup, unless you want to use it as storage, you know, that's cool. Nice closet, look at that. Big closet. I mean, it's pretty deep for you to have, you know, your clothes hanging instead of just folded in the drawers. Nice bedroom here with a slide and side windows. I like that touch. A little shelf here. Comes in handy. More storage, another you know, window up here gives it that home feeling. So let's go outside and show you more stuff. Yeah, again, we got the slide here, and you got the frameless windows. Keeps it, you know, lots of privacy when it comes with that style of windows. As we go around here, we're gonna see a ladder. So when you see this, that means this is a walk-on roof. So pretty cool to go up there, check for debris, what have you. Camera ready. It does not have the camera yet, but it's camera ready for you. As we go around, you know, we're gonna see here the 2-3 slides, folks. Big, huge slide. That's your kitchen up here. And then we walk in. That's your mid-bunk, if you remember that one. And of course, the bed slide. Pretty cool. Really nice coach. Give me a call. I got more information for you. Again, my name is Dib. 541-515-1237. Thank you.